Hi, welcome to do the installation of the Cubby house, model number 14909. Now we start with the piece number 10, which is this piece. Now first we need to put in 3 screws where you can find the plastic ring. We put in screw there, number 1, 2 and 3. Now bear in mind when you tighten it in, just enough to touch the plastic ring only. And secondly, before you go further, make sure you check all the screws and line it up properly, mark it properly on all the dimensions, the length of it, and everything separate apart, and check all the part is actually all correctly in length. It's vital that you at this stage you are checking all the screw length now. Make sure you double check, because some of them is actually different from the other. Save you from recheck it later. So please double check all your screw now before you go further. Next we're using the piece number 27, and we put in the screw, one there and one on top where you can see the plastic circle. Now you tighten it in like so. Next you join the piece number 25, which is the base of the Cubby house, which is this piece, and you join to number 27. So basically this piece is 25 and the one you just screw in is 27, and you join it like so. Now it is very vital, important that you check for every step. Make sure all the cap is actually securely, tightly fit in and turn in. If there is some gap, you really need to readjust and tighten a bit more on the brass screw in order to have it all nice and tight all through the step. So please make sure, it's vital, it's important that you do check properly and tightly. Next you put in the piece number 28 inside. Now remember to put a wooden dowel in the middle. You have to hammer in 60% in, 40% out, like so, and then you join by a plastic ring and tighten it in like so. Next you install in the piece number 28-9. With this piece you have also put in a brass screw in the middle there. Next you put in 2 wooden dowels, one there and one at the bottom. Remember you hammer 60% in and 40% out, like so. Next you put in a white button in. Now remember, facing the arrow to the direction of the screw like so. Now you put the piece number 29 in like so, and now lock it in. Next you're using the piece number 24, and you put in 2 screw in where you can find the plastic rings like so. One there and one on this side like so. Next you're going to put in 1 wooden dowel there. Next you join that piece together like so to the other side of the unit. Next you use 3 screws, which is 15 mil long, and put one there, one in the middle and one at the end there, and tightly secure it in like so. Now the next step, you're using the piece item number 9, and we put in 3 screws where you can find again where the plastic ring is. One there, one in the middle and one at the end like so. Now when you're done that, we get ready to flick it over. When we flick it over and we join into the front piece, and it should look like so. Now we lock in one at the front, one in the middle, and one at the end. Make sure it's nicely secured in, and by locking that, you must turn the white button clockwise, like so. Next, we put in another 3 screws in on this side here, which is 50 mil. One on the front, one in the middle, and then one at the end. And then we put another 3 screw 50 mil again, one there, one in the middle, and one at the end there as well. Now we position the piece that we have assembled like this angle, like so. Then we join in next the piece number 19 with the window as shown like so. And then we're using the back panel